The first 3 people behind me to sell this pen for £1 are going to be in a chance to win $10,000. Go!
Today, 20 dreamers are battling it out to win $10,000 worth of investment. There are 3 rounds. In each round, more dreamers are eliminated until just one remains. Let's do this.
Who here wants $10,000 to make their dream a reality?
In the first round, I'll be listening to 20 quick-fire pitches and eliminating 10 of them. Let me know in the comments who you would have selected.
Come tell me your dream.
Okay, hi Simon. My name is Rachel. My dream is to stop young children that are mixed race with curly hair from growing up and hating their hair.
You're in.
Hi, Simon.
What's your dream?
My dream is to break the cycle of fatherless homes. I want to help other fathers and children have a good relationship together.
You're in.
Them. Thank you.
Amazing. What's your dream?
My dream is to abolish the housing crisis that's currently going on. Companies like BlackRock and the government are boosting up rental prices.
You got me on BlackRock, you're free.
Thanks so much.
What's your dream?
I'm creating a social media platform called Crevelo, which aims to empower creatives to collaborate, connect
Sorry,
with...
no. What's your dream?
So my business at the moment is I help women with their exercise, nutrition and their mindset to help them transform their lives.
This is really hard, but no.
I struggled with this one. She's clearly trying to help people. Let me know in the comments whether you would have said yes to her.
What's your dream?
I want to basically create a platform for marathon runners. I saw an opportunity to allow people to create bespoke custom stickers, flags.
No.
I hate saying no to people, but I know that all of these dreamers will make it happen regardless of the outcome today.
What's your dream?
My dream is to start a perfume line centered around saffron. I want to showcase my culture and show that Iran is more than just what's represented in the region.
Yes. What's your dream?
My dream is to build a community of accessible energy. I wanted to develop something that is in the hands of the community and helping people.
Yes. What's your dream?
We tried every protein supplement out there and we've realised how much rubbish is in a lot of them. This is where the idea of Sweet Life was born.
For those who want to nourish their body and enjoy a sweet treat, welcome to Sweet Life.
Yes.
Thank you.
Well done.
We're halfway through the first challenge, but only 4 of the 10 spots remain. Who will make it to the second part of the process?
What's your dream?
Hi Simon, I'm Jamie, I'm 38 years old and my dream is to help people to show love and I want your help to help me do that.
No. What's your dream?
My dream is to help young people unlearn all the rubbish that we've been taught.
No.
Thank you.
What's your dream?
My dream is to design and produce work that's tailored to female physique.
This is so hard. No.
No, okay.
This one was tough. I could see the passion in her eyes, but I had to be brutal.
What's your dream?
My plan is to become a YouTuber. I like to do different cultures, different type of foods. That's
Yes.
the plan. Thank you, sir.
Good man. What's your dream?
My name's Ben. My dream is to change the way ADHD in university is approached from the UK.
Yes.
Just 2 pens remain, but there's still 5 dreamers left. I know this is going to be tough.
What's your dream?
Hi Simon, my dream is to make people smile more, laugh more and have better days through the power of sketch comedy.
No. What's your dream?
My dream is to just start making short films one day, and I've got some plans, but some investing might help to get better equipment.
No.
Saying no to someone with a dream who's so young is no easy task. Would you have said yes to him?
What's your dream?
So my name's Ben, I'm the founder of Tiki Taka Tours and my goal is to make it the go-to platform for football package holidays for short-side amateur players.
No. But I do know someone who can help you with this.
Yeah,
I'm
cool.
going to introduce them to you.
Nice.
What's your dream?
My dream is to help creatives pursue their creative passion and skill alternatives for a full-time career.
Yes. What's your dream?
I make educational music for children. My next series is called Tiny Little Mentors.
So we've got one left.
Yes,
Do you want it or should I give it to the guy behind you?
you can give it to him, that's fine.
Tell you what, come and tell me your dream. What's your dream?
I want to end the doom scrolling epidemic. So I've actually built an app called Touch Grass and it stops you from doom scrolling, it blocks your apps until you literally touch grass.
So if I give you the pass to go through, do you want to give it to her or you want to go through?
I think being a young mum and everything, we'd have to give it to her, honestly.
Well, I will...
You both go through.
Okay.
Both go through. Come on, we'll make this work. We'll make this work.
Thank you very much.
So 20 dreamers became 11 and it was now time for the second challenge of the day.
The first 3 people behind me to sell this pen for £1 are going to be in a chance to win $10,000. You all have a pen in your hand. The first 3 people to sell this pen for £1 and come back to this spot and give me the pound will go through to the next round. Go.
I need to...
Hello guys, beautiful people. Can I sell you this pen for £1?
Have you got a pair by any chance? Sorry, madam, you don't have a pound by any chance, do you?
Have you got a pound? Have you got a pound? I've got a winner challenge. Has anyone got a coin? Oh no. Excuse me, has anyone got a pound? Have you got a pound? Have you got a pound?
I'm trying to sell this pen, right? I will break dance, so do anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah.
No pound coins, no worries. Thank you anyway though.
It's a rollable pen, no thanks, all right.
You don't have a
Go to the next person.
I can't remember it. No?
I guess I have to give you the pen back.
No way at all.
Sorry.
Oh no.
Do you have a pen for? Yes.
2 of the dreamers sold their pens pretty much instantly, meaning there was one final slot up for grabs.
Oh man, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I love you, man.
Thank you very much.
I'm gone.
You guys?
Whoa.
I think it's first. It's first. Whoa.
This was an intense challenge, but selling is an essential skill for business success and everyone can learn it.
So the 3 people that are through, step forward. Wow, okay. There was another 2 people that did something special. When you set a task, or you set a task for yourself, always try to exceed your expectations. So 2 people didn't bring me back a pound. 2 people, one brought £1.50 back, that's you, you're through. And you brought back £5, you're through. Always try to exceed expectations. You're through, come through. The next round is about you pitching your dream in 5 minutes and convincing me it's you that should get this money and our help. I've got a surprise for you before you pitch. I managed to convince Sarah Willingham to join us. Come and say hello. Sarah has invested in a lot of businesses. She loves helping people's dreams come true, but she's no fool. So today we're going to grill you. Your idea, can you really make it happen even if we give this money to you?
Before we got started, I wanted to ask one last question.
If it's really money you need, stay. But if you don't need this money and you perhaps think one of your fellow dreamers needs it more, walk away. All right, let's go.
So 11 dreamers became 5 and it was now time for the final challenge of the day. Who can hold their nerve under pressure from 2 business tycoons?
If we give you the $10,000, what are you going to spend it on?
We want to create the best product and put it on the shelves.
Firstly is launching the company and setting it up.
I need a mic, some sort of music software.
We'd set up the company, register it, and host a property event.
How much is it going to take from conception to being on the shelf?
Well, we don't know, but 10,000 would be a start.
No, you've got to know. This I don't know thing is dangerous. How are you going to make money?
Through sponsorship.
So who's going to sponsor you?
Running brands.
Which one?
Nike.
They sponsor the Olympics. Why are they going to sponsor you?
Because my story matters.
How are you going to make money out of that?
I haven't exactly thought through how I would make money through the community.
How many followers on your family channel?
176.
176 subscribers. It's not even monetized yet.
At what point are we going to be able to walk into a shop and go, that was as a result of the conversation that we stood and had?
Honestly, tomorrow.
That is a lie. Don't lie.
Okay.
You cannot do it by tomorrow. Okay. We'd rather hear an honest answer.
Okay.
I think there's something wrong because sending an email can be done at lunchtime.
I've sent emails.
But who said yes then?
Nobody yet.
Why?
Maybe my packaging's not right.
But what's wrong with the packaging then? How do you make money now?
That's the thing, I'm not making much money now.
I'd rather you came and said, we know it cost £26,000 to make this prototype. We know because we've spoken to Whole Foods. You could have researched this before you even came here today.
Right, I don't get it.
Okay.
It's a yes or no answer.
Why do you need the $10,000?
I don't think I need exactly 10K.
It's $10,000. I'm scared to give it to you because I think it's going to hurt you.
What would you do with $1 million?
It would be to potentially buy some of the property, to set up the management company, to register it, get the legals.
$1 million isn't going to go far with that though. That's a pretty crazy shopping list you just did there. So you don't need the $10,000.
I do, but I would share to help others.
So you're saying 2 is enough?
With 2, I think it could really help.
The interviews were over. It was now time for Sarah and I to make the final decision. Who should get the $10,000?
We're going to make a decision. It's tough.
There is not a standout winner for me at all.
Well, we have to pick one winner, so let's go tell them.
So before Simon actually announces the winner, I just want to say what was so interesting today is that we all realised that actually none of you need the money to get going on your businesses. You actually just need to focus and to take action. All of you are capable of making this work.
But I promised to give one of you the money and I always want to do what I promised. What was really special about all of you is that you were willing to share the money with each other. $10,000, or do you want to split it with the other 4 people?
Split it.
Yeah, everyone deserves a chance.
I'd much rather split it, to be honest.
I would split it, yeah.
The guidance that you've given, I would actually split it.
All of you generally don't need the full amount. You just need a little bit, and I think you need just a little bit more belief in yourselves. So I don't think you need the money, but the winner is all of you, and you can share this money between you and make your dreams become a reality. I was going to throw the money up in the air, but apparently, can I just do it anyway? No one, here we go, ready? You're all ready, Hey!
We're going to make more of these videos where we teach business knowledge whilst having fun. Hit the subscribe button to see more.